Hey guys, today we're gonna remove the blower wheel. Never done it before, first time I do this. This is our RTU, Trane RTU. We're gonna take this out, this whole blower wheel compartment. From there. We gotta go around too. We gotta go around, do the same thing in this side. This is where the belt is. All of that had to come out. This is how we do it now. We remove the cover here. We remove that little stud there that goes here. That was blocking us, and we remove the whole thing. And that cover, we remove the whole cover. We're thinking about sliding out the whole thing out and putting it back. That's what we're thinking about doing now. Because this plate can come off. But if we unscrew this, right, the thing's gonna fall down. Unless I have something holding it, like down there, like cinder block or something, or wood, that we can avoid doing that. But the problem is the other side. We need to work in the other side as well. So it's easier to work outside with this. Now that we remove this from here and push it up, we remove all of these screws from this side, from this bracket, right? So then we're gonna slide the coil out. We gotta do the same thing in the other side. So now we're taking out the motor wires. All right, we're gonna push it. There you go.
Watch the coil.
Push more. Looking good. It won't touch because it's in the bracket.
Alright, something's stuck on the left.
We have a screw here.
Alright, do you want me to pull it back?
A little bit, yeah.
Alright.
Little screw there. You gotta remove it. This guy is on my way.
Good.
Now, the thing is, now we can slide it. Now pushing. Oh, another one here. See guys? I don't even know what they have down there, but it's okay. Alright, it's coming. See guys? It's coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out! Oh, screw fell.
Hold on.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Some screws here. Okay, hold on right there. We have a problem now.
Alright, we gotta lift it a little bit?
Wait, nah, because the flanges for this thing now.
Oh, I'm coming.
So I hope I don't have to. We might have to take this off now from here. The screws. And take this side out at least. Oh no, not even, because it's still gonna touch. Unless we remove the whole plate out here. We're gonna have to remove everything up here. Looks like it's touching there too. Look at that. We bended it. To fix that problem, there was a screw here we remove out.
Yeah.
So we can kind of shift this to the left, like that. Take that out also. That's out. That's it. It's touched. Alright, so we managed to move this out of the way. A couple of screws. Now the unit's gonna come out completely, as you guys see. It's not touching the coil. You have to bend this a little bit though, to the right, and the whole motor assembly and everything will come out. Look at this. I know Trane was smart. There you go, see that? We got it out. So now the big thing will be now to remove this pulley and the wheel and all of that. So the wheel will come out this way, up, the only way it can fit. See? Gotta go this position. And look, pay attention to the blades, how the blade angle is like this. All right, so when we put the new wheel, it's gonna be the same thing. The reason why we changed this wheel is because it was doing a squeaky noise and dancing. It's like very loose. Some of the blades. Let me see. See that? The blades are loose, so we needed to replace the whole wheel. So we remove the screw out, but then there's like a key here too. That might be a problem to remove the pulley out. Unless you're gonna have to probably push it in all the way to the other side there in order for you to take it out more lightly. So the shaft is holding the wheel and the pulley. That's a set screw there. We're gonna lose, and we got 2 little Allen key screws here. And we lose. We're gonna do the same thing the other side because the shaft goes across and it's holding the wheel. But he also has 2 little keys in the slot, so it's also gonna be a little problem. Let's see.
Yeah, these keys.
Yeah. It was a big deal, guys. We got it out, we put the new wheel in, right? You pull it out this way, but the shaft was so hard. I tried to remove the pulley out, but we couldn't. So we just removed the whole shaft out with the pulley together. We're about to line it up now. There. We had to sand this guy a little bit with this because he didn't want to go in at all. So we sanded real nice, and now we got it in. There you go. It was the tip all the way to the other side. So we continue. It's about to rain again. Look at the sky. Putting the last couple of screws here and then the wiring. Guys, we are done, baby. Let's go around. It's raining. We're about to test this, baby. We're about to test this, baby. It's right there. Ready to go. Plug in, sensor in, motor in, auto testing. Go, baby. And there you go, the back wheel. Here goes the wheel.